Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to divide this integration into two fractions in here. The first one and the second one. We know that the integration of this one that is about tan of s. Now I will concentrate about this one. S to the power of 3 we can put into s squared multiplied by s. Now we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared plus 1 because we have s squared in here. So I will put number 1 go to the left. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about du equals to 2s ds. Because first derivative of s squared, you got about 2s. But we don't have number 2 in here. So we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. This one we change by u minus 1. S ds we change by du over number 2. And now we have u divided by u, 1 divided by u. So you got about 1 minus 1 over u. The integration of number 1, you got about u. The integration of 1 over u, you got about ln of the absolute value of u. And we put about c. About u, that is about this one. And now we need to combine the answer in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.